Hey, what is up guys, this is Niladores and today we're going to unbox DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Let's get started. Hey, what is up guys, and we are back, and I just want to say that I've been waiting for this for like 3 days already before I was able to get my hands on it. There's a bit of mix of excitement and thrill simply because by the time we arrived in America, we are in Sacramento right now. By the time we arrived here, there was three items in store for this guy, and the following day it already became 2, and I was afraid, I was nervous that I might not be able to get one. Thankfully, my friend was able to go to Best Buy and she got me one. Hooray for that. So we will unbox this guy, and I will make a 2-part video on this one simply because I want to make sure that I am able to provide you guys with a better insight on how this thing works, on how to properly shoot it, how to properly make use of this gimbal. So for now, for part 1, we will unbox this and I will show you the different items inside the box. Now, at first I was really on the market for a Zion Smooth 4 gimbal. However, the Best Buy here requires me to pre-order it and have it delivered by 3 days, so I really don't have the luxury of the time to be waiting for that long. Osmo Mobile 2. Now, let us check the box. In front of the box, you will see the presentation of the unit itself, the DJI Osmo. Now, it's really nice. The presentation is really nice. It looks clean, and companies nowadays try to imitate the way Apple present its products. So that's just one thing I noticed there. Now on the other side, you will see the logo of the DJI, and again the presentation of their unit and some of the stuff that we don't really care about. So let us check. Okay, there's really nothing much here. Alright, now that it's done, now after you have taken off the plastic, guys, there's a little tab here, if you can see. Fortunately, the focus is not picking it up. Anyway, there's a tab here and you just have to peel it off and open the box there. Now inside the box you will find 3 paperworks: a quick start guide and safety disclaimer. This is the disclaimer, guys. This is a warranty card. This is the second iteration of DJI gimbals for mobile, you know. This is their carrying case. It's like a styrofoam plastic. It's really sturdy. It's not that kind of a weak feeling. So in short, this is very durable. You may want to keep the carrying case because the gimbal, it doesn't have any case at all. Other than this, they don't really sell any accessory to cover your gimbal, so this is highly recommended. Keep this. We can open this. After we open this now, you will find the gimbal itself and charging cord. Unfortunately, they do not provide any charging brick. Let's get the gimbal. Okay. Now, the gimbal itself is really nice, you know. It feels durable, it feels sturdy, and I think it can withstand any beating. To be honest, I've already dropped this for like, I don't know, maybe 3-5 times already. I'm not so sure. Anyway, I have dropped this for like many times and it withstand it. It was able to hold itself. It's grippy, but it's not compared to the previous model. The previous model has like a rubber grip, which provides more grip. That is it, guys, for our unboxing and first look of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I will do a separate video for the full review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and click subscribe if you want to see that come, and stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.